Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2016 GMC Sierra 1500 SLE Crew Cab. On the exterior of this truck, we have power and heated door mirrors, high-intensity discharge headlights, rear step bumper, and rear backup camera. On the inside of the Sierra, you'll find comfortable cloth seating for 5, illuminated entry, and remote keyless entry. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display has Bluetooth technology, and the steering wheel mounted auto controls keeps everything at your fingertips. This one-owner 2016 GMC Sierra has less than 122,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.